In front of me is OPPO Find X8 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up and go into Tab menu. Now you need to edit your shortcuts thanks to this pen at the bottom left corner. Look for Caffeine shortcuts over here. Find it, hold it, and drag it to your currently used ones. Then hit Done at the top right corner and click on your new shortcut. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that infinite sleep time is on. To turn it off, click on the same one until it's grey. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!